Introducing VIDU. You can create now. Just type in your image prompt and hit create to generate new text to videos, or drop a reference image and watch it come alive. With its current fast speed generations, you can create 4-second clips in 30 seconds. Anime creations are also looking good, with VIDU showcasing a few in its demos. But its cinematic quality is what is making it shine, from science fiction to old-school romantic films and Western and cartoon genres. Their visual effects, however, are stunning. From fast motion explosions to their jaw-dropping imagery, they are showcasing their transformation effects. This advanced AI technology is understanding the user's creativity and certainly adding to a long list of new image-to-video generators becoming available. The best part is their character-to-video functionality, which is allowing users to create any fixed role in any scene with any action. So my advice is just check it out and see what it can do for you before the next image-to-video generator hits the scene. It's good to keep up your skills with these AI tools.